Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and today I'm working on this 18 by 24 canvas, and I want to do another infinity pour. And this is so much bigger, I have actually got 2 cups out on each side, but I don't know for sure that I'll need them, but I got it available if I do. So in this first cup, I'm going to be using Liquitex Basics Rose. This is Prism Violet. And next we're going to have Quinacridone Magenta. You thought I couldn't say that, huh? I didn't know I could either. And then last we have the DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. So on the other side we have the Artist Loft Turquoise. And we have the Magnesium Blue hue. And then I have Emerald Green. And then in this one I have ArtMinds Frosted Bubbly. Alright, so we're going to get this in these cups. And I'm just going to alternate pouring the colors in there until the cup is full, and I may need to go to a second cup, but we're going to see. I think it's going to be close. I did it. I can't believe it held all that. Alright, let's do the other one. And we're going to start with the gold on the other one. Then the rose, the purple, the magenta, and then repeat. This one's going to go right up to the top too. That's perfect. Alright, so here we go. And I'm practicing. I don't know. This is the most awkward thing for me to do, is to try to coordinate my arms to do this. And I know that somebody's going to say that is not a true infinity pour. But it's pretty hard, at least for my arms. Okay. So I got several little holes here that needs to be filled in. I'm going to heat it up first and pop any bubbles that I see. And then I'm just taking my popsicle stick and just letting the paint move into those blank areas. Here we go. Fix this one a little bit. And there. Alright. So I started to tilt it, but I felt like it didn't have enough towards the corners, so I just dumped what was in the cups on each corner. It would have something to flow over and not just pull itself and roll it underneath the edges. So going from corner to corner and stretching it. One more to go. And there. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And the colors that are being picked up by the camera are not true colors. So I'm going to do a true color with my phone camera and add those to the end of the video so that you can see the richness that's on this canvas. It's just gorgeous. I got some cells popping up already, and before I do anything else, I want to clean the under edges of the canvas so that it stops pulling the paint over the edge with the flow, and because I want that to stay right there. It can develop some more cells, is fine by me. I think it is gorgeous. Love these colors. So I'm taking the camera down and I'm pulling it in close so you can see each part of the canvas and exactly what is transpiring. I got a lot of cells right here on this upper right hand corner. And those are so pretty. Moving over to the left hand corner. Looking good. And then we're just gonna span down to the lower left hand. This area right in here is, when you see it in the true colors, it's amazing. Got a lot of cell work going on there. Got some trying to develop in the center. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like with my phone that has the two colors. I didn't use any kind of color enhancement apps or anything. This is just what my phone picks up, and it is gorgeous. I just love it, and it's true, those colors. It's probably going to dry dark because those are some dark colors, but when I resin it, I think it's going to be beautiful. I think that would be the best way to draw these colors out is to use a resin over it. So I will have to be careful though, because with this being a larger canvas, it will have that tendency to sink in the center. So I'll have to take that in consideration as well. But I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. And if you have, click like and share. You'll never know what it means to me when you do that, because you help my channel grow. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll get notified when I upload future videos. If you have any comments or questions, suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. I love to hear what y'all are thinking. If you like it, if you think different colors would be better, I'd love to interact with you that way. So, and I appreciate it. The description of everything that I used will be listed below in the description box, so you can check that out along with all my links to my different social platforms. Check that out. And I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye-bye for now.